Good morning, students. I really hope you all are studying well at home. Students, today I am back with another video of value education. Today we will study chapter number 9. So, all of you open page number 36. And the theme of the chapter is Be good to animals, they will be good to you. That we should always be good to animals and they will be good to us. Now read this question, students. You go to park to play. Some children are throwing pebbles at a puppy and laughing. What you will do? You will join them or you will try to stop them. That few children are throwing pebbles at a little puppy. So what you will do? Join them or you will try to stop them? Yes, you will try to stop them as we should never hit any other animal. Now, read this story about how an unkind tailor started loving an elephant. Now, the name of the chapter is Apu and the Tailor. Now, all of you, put your fingers here and read with me. Ramdin lived in a small town. He was a tailor. He was not a kind man. In the same town, there lived an elephant called Apu. Every morning, Apu crossed the market to go to river. The shopkeepers gave bananas and sugarcane to it. Apu loved to eat them. Now, Ramdin lived in a small town. He was a tailor. He was not a kind man. And in the same town lived Apu, an elephant. And every morning he used to go to the river. And on his way there was a market. And in that market there were many shops. And shopkeepers gave bananas and sugarcane to Apu. Now see what happened next. Ramdin did not like Apu. He never gave anything to it. One day when Apu crossed his shop, he took a big needle and pricked his trunk. Oh my god. Can you see, student, what he's doing? He took a big needle and pricked its tongue. Apu screamed in pain. From the next day, it started going from other side of the road. Now see what happened next. Come on, next page. Page number 37. Now, one day Apu saw Ramdin going home with many bags. He dropped one of them on the way. He did not notice it, but Apu did. It picked up the bag with its trunk and went to Ramdin's house. Ramdin was very happy to get his bag back. Now, one day, what happened, students? Ramdin was going home and he dropped one bag, and Apu saw this thing. It picked up the bag and went to Ramdin's house. It had clothes he had stitched for other people. He felt very sorry for the way he had treated Apu. He thanked Apu and gave it a big bunch of bananas to eat. He had learned to be kind to animals. So, Ramdin learned that we should always kind to animals. Now, circle the correct answer. Now, circle the correct answer, students. Ramdin was a kind or unkind to Apu? Kind or unkind to Apu? Ramdin was unkind to Apu. Most people gave bananas, clothes to Apu. So tell me, students, most of the people used to give bananas to Apu or clothes to Apu? Most of the people used to give bananas to Apu. Apu was a good or bad friend of the tailor to the tailor. Apu was good friend to the tailor or bad friend? Apu was good friend to the tailor because Apu returned his bag. We must be bad to animals or good to animals? We must be good to animals. Yes, students. Animals are our enemies or friends? Animals are our enemies or friends? They are our friends. Circle the correct answer, students. Now, come on, next question. Time to think. Animals cannot speak, but they feel happy or hurt like us. And this is true. I have seen many videos of it, students, that they also have feelings. Just like us, animals have feelings too. They too want to be loved and cared for. Animals help us, even we are cruel to them. If we are kind to animals, they will help us and love us even more. Discuss in class how we can kind to animals. Now students, you have to tell me how you can kind to animals. See, first how we can kind to animals, I will tell you few points. We can give food to them. We can love them. We can take care of them. For example, I give food and milk to street dogs. That's how I am kind to animals. So, we can do different things, like we can give some grass to eat to cows, we can give biscuits and milk to dogs, we can give milk to cats, we can give bananas to monkeys and elephants. Like this, we can always be kind to animals. But some people are cruel to animals. Some people are very cruel to animals. As what they do? They lock them in a cage like zoo. So, this is unkind to them. So we should always be kind to animals. I hope you have many more points that how can we behave kind to animals. Now come on, next page, students. Time for reality check. Now read the poem. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece as white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. So, if you have ever heard of this poem of our nursery, that Mary had a little lamb, its fleece as white as snow. Fleece means the body hair. And every time that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. That every time Mary went here and there, the lamb used to follow her. So Mary loved her little lamb. That is why the lamb liked to be around her. It followed her everywhere she went. Mark a tick on the things you think Mary did for the lamb to show her love for it. Gave it food? Yes. Pet the lamb? Like touching its head? Yes. Pulled its tail? No, this is a wrong answer. We should never pull any animal's tail. Spend time with it? Yes, we should always spend some time with animals. Teased it? Like throwing something on it? No, we should never tease any animal. Was kind to it? Yes, Mary was kind to it. That's why Lamb used to follow her everywhere. So, in today's class, we have learned that we should always be kind to animals. Very good, students. Now, your time. Number the pictures in the correct order, then circle yes or no. Talk about what you will do in these situations. So, I am giving you this question as homework. You have to do it, students. You have to complete your homework and discuss lines with your parents. Okay, students? Very good. Now cut out photos of any 5 animals from old magazines. Paste them on your drawing sheet. Write their names and discuss how you can be kind to them. So, you can also do this in your art file. I hope you have learned the value that be good to animals, they will be good to us. Thank you, students.